This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 260RD is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features a Collins interior, sleeps 4, TV, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, external shower, skylight, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 260RD is 7,534 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.